Hi, my name is Mike, and I have a problem. People that make airplanes and fighter jets and cars and trucks and everything that goes into an oil rig get special attention from tooling manufacturers because they buy millions of dollars worth of tungsten carbide cutting tools. But what about the guy or the gal that just has a machine like the one on the left or the one on the right? Well, and then their goal is to just have two machines sitting next to one another and grow their business. Well, one of the ways to grow your business is to get parts out of your machine fast. Well, how do you do that? One variable is to up your tooling game. That's what I'm here to show you. The feeds and speeds that follow aren't going to be optimized, they're just going to work for the setup we put down. And you can take these feeds and speeds and use them as a launch point for your machine shop. Alright, we're going to be testing a Kennametal Harvi 2 TE end mill that is 10 millimeters in diameter. We are going to be running this test in a 5-axis Hermle C250. It has an HSK 63 spindle connection. The tool will be put in a shrink fit holder. This vise is a centering vise with aggressive gripper jaws to hang on to the 836 steel with a 3 millimeters of holding stock on the bottom. 836 steel is a softer, low carbon steel that creates longer chips, and unfortunately the shop that I was in did everything in the millimeters, so primary units will be in millimeters. Inch equivalents will be next with freedom lovers. Alright, in the next section of video you are going to see the tool ramp up to these parameters slowly. The test number 1 parameters are what was programmed, and the test number 2 parameters are what we ramped the feed up to by the end of the section of video because it sounded so good.
I mean, we're 100% now.
Yeah.
I mean, that
Sounds good.
Yeah. You sure you want to snap this thing off? It'll be this one or the next one, probably. It does. Nothing. You can crank the spindle speed as well. A little if you want. Oh, what the heck? You see that?
We need to go faster. We could hear the tool wasn't ringing, the tool wasn't rumbling, it sounded very healthy. So we originally programmed the next feed to 10,500 millimeters a minute, but by the time we finished the test, the next pass in the test, we were up to 14,490 millimeters per minute. And that being said, that's about 570 inches a minute. So take a look.
We know we can go to 6,000.
Yeah. Alright, so there's that. Keep going. See how much faster you can get it on these straights.
We got up to 9,500.
Okay.
96 I saw. I saw 10.
10,000.
You want to go faster? It seems fine.
Well, let's see what it does on this side, and then on the other side, start going up.
See if it breaks off right here.
Yeah. I don't think it will.
Nope. Alright, you can go. 12,000. Dang.
Right, and that's got, like, listening to it, it'll go.
It sounds fine. Oh, I did it again.
Yeah.
Did.
So as you can see, by the time we finished our testing, we had just over doubled the feed rate we started at, and consequently the material removal rate. This is a big deal for the shop that I was in because we added about 6.75 cubic inches per minute to their material removal rate compared to the steel roughing tool that they had been using and buying. For anyone that's thinking about tool life, the Harvi 2 TE is Kennametal's latest and greatest end mill to come out, and it's their next generation to the Harvi 1 TE end mills that the guys over at Titans of CNC love. So go try it. It's a $78 end mill on their website right now for this 10 millimeter diameter end mill. So good luck and up your tooling game.